Are both of them eligible to receive my zakah if I see them as needy? Jazakallah khair.
Yasin from Bulgaria.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
My question is regarding zakatul mal. I have two maternal uncles. One of them has children. The other one doesn't have any children. Are both of them eligible to receive my zakah if I see them as needy? Jazakallah khair.
Are they poor or needy in Islamic terms?
I would classify them as needy.
Okay, if this is the case, maternal uncles are eligible for zakat because you will never inherit them and they will never inherit you. So they are like any other stranger. If he's classified as poor, unable to make ends meet, or needy, has sufficient funds but it's not enough for his livelihood, to pay for medical bills, to pay for maybe the rent, or to fix the car that he needs to sustain his job and the likes, yes, you can give him from the zakat.